Hello again! Okay, so let's get started with some letter review. G, Y, E, W, A, V, P, A, T, Z, K, R, L, X, I, B, D, J, M, N, S, A, H, K, F. Great. We're going to do nonsense words. If you want to turn the sound off, I'll give you the thumbs up when it's time to turn it back on. Sib, Bach, Tal, Sen, Gib, Dodd, Top, Lek, Biz, Zat, Gem, Gom, Hoff, Dax, Cuz, Yun, Had, With, Moff, Gat, Seth. Next, we're going to move on to sight words. If you want to keep the sound off, because you have it off, continue, and I'll give you the thumbs up when we're done. Over, his, no, once, thank, give, some, any, him, going, again, as, by, open, live, take, walk, round, of, just, them, think, her, an, fly. Okay, if you've had the sound off trying those letters and words on your own, way to go. It's really showing me that you know how to work hard and you're trying your best. That's awesome. Next, we're going to move on to writing some sentences with magic silent E. So, if you don't have anything to write with right now, go grab it, come back. Number 1. My mom likes to bake and bike at home. My mom likes to bake and bike at home. My mom likes to bake and bike at home. All right. My mom likes to bake and bike at home. So we've got long I in likes and bike. We've got a long A in bake, and we've got a long O in home. Nice job. All right, the next one is not so long. This one is, her cape is made of rope. 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 Nice job. The last one. The snake can bite the stone. The snake can bite the stone. The snake can bite the stone. All right, we'll see you next time. Great job. These are the problems we'll be working on today. If you want to write these down by pausing the video right now, you can. Otherwise, you could just follow along. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about tens and ones before we start our problems. Let's start by looking at this number. The number is 15. There are two columns, a 1 and a 5. In 15, there's 1 10 and 5 ones. Let's take a look at our 10 frame to think about what that means. So, we've got the number 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, when we think about the number 15 in terms of tens and ones, remember I told you that 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. Every time you fill up a 10 frame, you have 1 10. So, how many 10 frames are full here? Just this one. We have one group of 10. 1 10. How many are outside the 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are not part of a 10, so those are left over as ones. Let's try another one. Let's try 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So, let's see. Do we have a full 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all the boxes are full, so yes, we do. So we have 1 10, and how many ones are going to be left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1 10 and 4 ones. Next we have 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. How many 10s do we have? Well, our 10 frame is full, so that's 1, and then outside we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 1 10 and 7 ones, and that makes 17. Our next number is 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, so how many do we have inside the 10 frame? Why, it's 10. There are 10 spots and 10 rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 110. And then how many do we have outside? Those are going to be the ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 18 is 110 and 8 ones. And if we look at the numbers, we have 110 and 8 ones. Okay. The next number we have is 13. So we're trying to think about how many 10s and how many 1s are in 13. So we look at 13, we see we have 110 and 3 1s. Let's see if that checks out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So remember we said we had 110 and 3 1s? Well, it looks like that checks out because if we have one full 10 frame, every spot is filled in, and then we have 1, 2, 3 outside.